Hey guys, so today I decided to do a squishy experiment. So let's just get started. First squishy I decided to do this experiment on is my iBoom Tinker. The second squishy will be this mini Aoyama Tokyo cake roll. The third squishy will be this sweet bakery bun. This one will be this Meme Cafe macaron. The fifth squishy will be this non-reduced Hello Kitty donut. The last squishy will be this My Melody head bun. So let's go put these squishies in the freezer. So I took out all my squishies out of the freezer. Okay. It's hard. Wow, it's really close. Let me take that out. It's still coming up. It's still rising. So a thumbs up for the ticker. I totally forgot the order, so the next one up is this Meme Cafe. It did get more slow rising, and I'm surprised it didn't really get like hard. Next I have this non-reproduced Hello Kitty donut. I believe it got squishier, but I'm not 100% sure. Next up we have the My Melody. That did get more slow rising. Next is this bun. Oh, that got more slow rising as well. This is actually one of my favorite common squishies because of how squishy it is and this adorable design. Lastly, we have this mini Aoyama Tokyo cake roll. It's here. It did get more slow rising, I'm surprised it's not super hard like most of the Aoyama Tokyo cake rolls when they're put in the freezer. Thank you for watching, and please comment, rate, and subscribe. Bye!